In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Keybank locations near me. If you need to quickly locate a nearby Keybank branch or ATM, this process is simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along and find the closest location with as little hassle as possible. First, open your web browser and go to the official Keybank website at key.com. Once the home page loads, take a quick look around the main page. You don't need to sign in or create an account for this task, so you can go straight to the location search feature. On the home page, look for the option labeled Find a Branch or ATM. This is the tool Keybank provides to help you search for nearby banking locations. Depending on the device you're using, this option may appear near the top of the page in the main navigation area or somewhere clearly visible on the home page. Click on it to continue. After that, you'll see a search input field. In this box, type your US zip code, your city and state, or another location detail that helps narrow down your search. If you prefer a faster option and your device supports it, you can also allow location sharing so the website can detect your current area automatically. That can be especially helpful if you're on a phone and want the closest branch or ATM without typing anything manually. Once your location is entered, click the Find button. This tells the website to run the search and display the nearest Keybank options based on the information you provided. If location sharing was enabled, the results should be tailored to where you are right now. When the results appear, scroll down the page to view the closest Keybank locations near you. You should be able to see nearby branches or ATMs listed for easy reference. In many cases, these results also help you compare options based on distance, which can save time if you're trying to choose the most convenient stop. As a helpful tip, make sure the location you enter is accurate, especially if you're searching by city or zip code. If the results don't look right, simply go back, adjust the search details, and run it again. And that's it. By visiting key.com, selecting Find a Branch or ATM, entering your location, clicking Find, and scrolling through the results, you can quickly locate the nearest Keybank branch or ATM in your area.